All right, Bellringer fans, here we are. We had a wonderful long weekend. A little wet on Saturday, huh? Yeah, what was that all about? Anyway, like 4 inches of rain plus. That's crazy. Anyway, today we've got class, of course, and we're going to start something new. We're going to talk more about biochemistry, or the chemistry that makes up of life. But before we do that, let's do today's Bellringer and review some of what we've just been doing, which has been nervous system and the brain and all that stuff. All right. Hey now.
Mr. Kovacs class. It's Mr. Kovacs class.
You might learn a ton.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
It's interesting too.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
And he's super cool.
It's Mr. Kovacs class.
Yeah, so we just wrapped up. We did human body systems, and we spent most of our time on the endocrine system and the nervous system, which are similar in that they send communication to other parts of the body, that they communicate, like tell other parts of the body to do something or not do something. But let's see what you remember about those systems in today's Bellringer. So in the endocrine system, we've got organs, which we tend to call them not organs. We call them this different word. What's the word we use for the organs of the endocrine system? Good. Yeah, we call them glands. And of course, they secrete chemical messengers into the blood, which are known as, very nice, hormones. And of course, there are all kinds of glands we talked about. In particular, the hypothalamus is like the master gland. It constantly measures the blood, constantly checking for things like temperature, oxygen concentration, you name it, mineral or ion concentrations, different chemicals. And if it senses a problem, it sends a message, a chemical message, a hormone to rectify the problem. We call that a feedback loop, right? It's constantly in a feedback loop. So once the problem is rectified, it shuts off the hypothalamus. And this is important to maintain what? That's right, homeostasis, magic word. Nervous system is a little different, right? Nervous system really starts with the brain, but nervous system communicates much more quickly than the endocrine system, and it communicates with electrical impulses called, right, the action potential, and then chemicals at the end of nerves that turn on next nerves, which are called, right, neurotransmitters. And we learned that nerves are made up of neurons, are the basic unit of the nervous system, and neurons have like a long, skinny axon, and if you change the electricity on the ionic ions on the cell membrane of a neuron, it would send a signal down the length of the axon to the axon terminus, where it releases neurotransmitter into a space between neurons, which is called the synapse. So yeah, you got most of this. So today we're going to kind of change our focus a little bit onto something a little different, biochemistry. We'll do chemistry. We have some chemistry labs to do and that kind of thing. So let's have a good day today. And let's go.